A narration from the book Eat Like You Care. But what about Hitler? He was a vegetarian. No, he wasn't. But let's not worry about something as insignificant as historical facts being wrong. Let's assume that Hitler consumed no animal products. What would that say about not consuming animal foods? Absolutely nothing. The thinking behind the "but Hitler" point is that Hitler cared about animals and that led him to undervalue humans and as a consequence do terrible things to them. Therefore, if you care about animals, you'll undervalue humans and do terrible things to them. Oh my gosh, it's hard not to laugh and read that. So keep consuming animal products. Take the kids to chow down a bucket of fried chicken tonight. You don't want them to become Nazis, do you? Putting aside the patent absurdity of such a position, remember that Joseph Stalin killed millions of people, as did Chairman Mao. Both ate animal products. Cambodia's Pol Pot, Japan's Hirohito, Belgium's King Leopold II, and Spain's Francisco Franco were also responsible for horrible atrocities. They all consumed animal foods. So to the extent that you think that what you consume will incline you towards being a mass killer, you'd better be advised not to consume animal foods given the correlation between being a mass killer of humans and being a consumer of animal foods. That's funny. Exactly. There is a sense in which the "but Hitler" point is intended to set up an unfavorable association. Hitler had a characteristic. He was a vegetarian, which he wasn't. And Hitler was an evil man, so we should reject any characteristics associated with him. But Hitler also took baths, so we should not bathe because we don't want to be like Hitler. He also wore clothes and drank water. If you don't want to be like Hitler, stop wearing clothes and drinking water. You get the idea. So if someone were to use this stupid argument, they need to consider all the mass murderers in the world who actually ate meat, and you can't use that argument against veganism and not use it against eating meat. It's a stupid argument, and I don't even know why people bring this up because it's not even historically accurate. And just imagine if all vegans started using this argument to base not eating meat on what horrible people do with their eating habits and try to use this argument to stop people from eating meat because it causes people to somehow become bad people. There's no correlation. To hear the next chapter, please go to my next video on my YouTube page. Please like and subscribe.